What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's going on, everybody?
Nothing much, man. Listen, over here on the ClearCryptos educational channel, excuse the laughter. Me and Justin were talking about something in related to this article before we started. But over here on the Clear Cryptos channel, we like to focus on the education as well as the news. Today is no different, as we will be covering the news of the Celsius co-founder Alex Mashinsky being sued by the New York Attorney General, which recently New York and their Attorney General and their law forms over there, they've kind of been on fire. Key FTX. But anyway, Justin, what do you got for us, man?
All right, so the Wall Street Journal reported that Celsius co-founder Alex Mashinsky is being sued by the New York Attorney General Letitia James. The civil lawsuit is centered around alleged false statements made by Mashinsky to investors. Mashinsky is co-founder of a now bankrupt cryptocurrency lender, Celsius Network LLC. Moreover, the lawsuit was filed today with James's assertion that the founder defrauded investors out billions of dollars of cryptocurrency. The lawsuit is targeting claims Mashinsky made to potential investors that purposefully hid the lender's financial woes. The report notes that the former CEO of Celsius made false statements to investors about the soundness of Celsius's financial condition, according to the Wall Street Journal. Additionally, the claims concealed its dire situation when the lender lost hundreds of millions of dollars in risky investments. God, this kind of sounds like FTX
familiar,
0.5. It can't be 1.0 or 2.0. It's got to be 0.5 on a much smaller scale. Furthermore, the report states that Mashinsky told investors Celsius was safer than the bank because, they're safer than a bank with no backing of their crypto,
no insurance
for investors. Within the lawsuit, the prosecutor, James, stated that Mashinsky promised to lead investors to financial freedom, but led them down a path of financial ruin. To the publication, adding the law firm is clear that making false and substantiated promises and misleading investors is illegal. Specifically, the lawsuit has accused Mashinsky of violating New York's Martin Act. Moreover, the law was designed with the intention of combating securities and commodities fraud. Additionally, the act allows the New York Attorney General to investigate fraud claims. The lawsuit is following a plethora of reports citing Mashinsky's unethical financial maneuvers when heading Celsius last year. The co-founder resigned from the platform amidst its bankruptcy proceedings in September. Now, the one thing key to note about all this is that this isn't a criminal investigation. It's just a lawsuit, and they're trying to get regular money. It's all civil. So hopefully, fingers crossed that maybe if they find something, they can bring it up to the level of being criminal, and he might find himself being a bunkmate with SBF, trying to avoid all the dangers of jail, right? That not to mention, there's a whole nother crypto project that there's a whole nother guy that could be seeing some jail time in New York as well. So I don't know, maybe, New York is just trying to line up their cells with all these crypto fraudsters so they can all get together and have a little powwow camping session in jail where they all belong. I don't know. But like Hobb said, New York has been on fire and I absolutely love it. So what you got, bro?
Hey, listen, here's the thing. With this particular situation, it's not criminal yet, right? Like at some point when they bring charges, they're not going to stop there. All they're going to need is a little bit more evidence, right? With FTX, SBF situation, the reason why it became criminal is because it became clear through the evidence and the ongoing investigation and witnesses that this was potentially criminal. With this particular situation, I don't know how deep they'll go, but I'm assuming it being in New York, like I said, you can go to jail in a lot of places or get accused of something in a lot of places, but apparently New York is not the place to do this at. So the fact that it's the Attorney General out of New York could be one of two things. They could be looking for more clout to slap on top of the SBF situation, or they could actually be looking to put some of these people away. I've said this in previous videos and I'll say it here. This is good for crypto. As much as it sucks to keep hearing this over and over again, this is good because it's kind of like putting that beware of dog sign out in your front yard, right? Even if you don't have a dog, that sign at least warrants off some people who may be afraid of dogs that would potentially do malicious things to your front yard. So this is our beware of dog sign in crypto. If you do bad things, you suffer bad consequences. So I like this for crypto, but you guys let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let us know exactly how you feel about some of these people being locked up. Is it fair? Do you agree with us? Either way it go, leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Come back and check us out on the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T Hobbs from the Crypto Shop, and that man above is Jay Seals. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.